By the time other kids join, you just think on this. Let's see.
So maybe we can move the rook to F1.
Black to play.
Yes, sir. I think that we can move the rook to F1,
Okay.
capturing the other rook. Ready to capture the other rook.
Okay.
But no, sir, no, sir.
Please.
No, sir. Sir, actually go back. So we can move the pawn to, no. So we can move the rook to E8.
E8. Okay.
Move the king to G8.
King is on G8 only, right?
Oh, sorry, F8.
Now black to play. What will you play?
Pawn to A6. Pawn to A5. Pawn to A4. Oh, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, pawn to B6. Good evening, sir.
Hello, Eva. Hi, good evening.
Pawn to, no. Rook to A8.
Rook to?
A8.
It is already on E8. Okay. A8 you are saying. Okay. Eva not well or what?
Pawn to
Okay.
Pawn to A4.
A4.
Pawn to B, sorry, rook to B8. Rook to
So we are from black side or white side?
Yes, you guys are from black side.
Okay, sir.
mm,
So pawn to h5 or g5.
pawn to b5. Pawn to h4. Pawn to h3. Rook to b6.
Okay, you want to give rook?
No.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Hello, Shri Purna. Yes, kids. Black to play.
So we can't even play anything.
Okay, let me go back to the original position, kids. Now this is black to play, okay? Now tell me who will win. Look at the board position and tell me who will win, who should win.
So black.
Black, okay? That's the reason I gave black to you, okay? So you play from black side, I'm playing from white side. You are going to win, okay? Let's be confident, think wisely, think properly. You are going to win definitely. Okay, kids?
Okay.
What are the plus points for black? Who will tell?
We have 1 extra bishop and 3 extra pawns.
Exactly. What about the
2
pawn
extra.
positions?
2 extra pawns. Sir.
Yes. What about the pawn positions? One of your pawn is reached till 7th rank, and in the next move it is going to be promoted.
So but the rook is there.
Yeah, so you also have the rook, right?
So, but even if we promote, the rook can capture the piece.
That is the reason I am asking to look at the board position carefully.
Yes, sir.
So we can move our rook to e8.
Why to move e8? Tell me one thing, if you move your bishop here, suppose, what will white play?
Remove the rook.
He will move the rook where? Here,
So it will still no,
here, attacking this
no.
pawn.
It can move on b1.
B,
B1.
B1. Okay, very good. If it moves here, very nice for us. Okay. What is the next move that you can make? See, the rook giving check, attacking on the rook. Correct? Check.
Okay.
Suppose it gets captured, capture and promote. Now who will stop you from winning?
Yes.
Correct? There is nobody who can stop you from winning this game now, right? What will
Yes,
he
but
play?
So you
Next
can
one,
move it.
he will come here. Yeah.
So you
so
can
bishop
move the
bishop
to
to
e.
f
Bishop to
f4. F4.
Have patience. Let him be there only. Okay. Block the line. Okay. Now what will he play? Suppose he plays this. You check. Comes here. Again check. How will you give check? Check. Comes here. Maybe. Reaches. What can I do? Check. He's going to
So you can bring the bishop at g5.
G
G5. The
here.
pawn is close to promoting.
Right. Okay. Even that is better option. If it gets promoted, capture it. No issues. We have blocked the king actually. So next thing that he plays is this one. Okay. Let's push the pawn.
Okay.
Let's push another pawn. Now see, these three lines are blocked for the king. Suppose he plays next one. He plays here. Now one movement, kids. Black to play one movement.
So pawn to g4.
Pawn
so
to
queen to
g4.
g3. Queen to g3.
Exactly. Queen to g3, checkmate. We solved so many puzzles related to this, right?
Sir, I
Yes.
was muted.
Okay.
Sir, I was muted. I was screaming.
So,
Sir, I was muted. I was
wasn't
giving
it
the answer,
easy?
but I was muted.
Wasn't it easy?
Yes.
Just move this. Whatever he plays. Okay. Suppose he brings here to capture the pawn. Bring it here. Give check. Here check. No issues. There is no way but to capture this, right? As soon as he captures,
Yes.
promote it. He comes here. Okay. Maybe check. Where will he go? He cannot come here. In fact, isn't it a checkmate, kids? He cannot come here, right? Cannot come. It's a check and mate, right? Why did we play the game earlier? It was a check and mate directly. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the another example of material advantage. Okay. Now in this case, black has material advantage. Black has one extra bishop. Black has two extra
pawns.
Okay, and particularly the positional advantage. The position of this pawn is very strong. Okay, it is already in the 7th rank. Okay, and fortunately it is
Sir, it is the second rank.
7th rank for black, isn't it, Sanvi? Right?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
home
sir.
square for black is A7, B7, right? So it reached till 7th rank. In the next move, it is going to reach to the last rank and promote it. Okay. So
So, it's second rank only for it's also
yeah.
because the home squares is 7. And
Yes. Yeah. So from this, it
that is
goes to
7.
the 7th and reaches to the 8th, right? So, okay. Any questions in this, kids?
No, sir.
Okay. Can we move to the next one?
Okay.
Okay. White to play. Who is having advantage now here?
Mhm.
White is having advantage. White has one
Of 1
extra
pawn.
pawn. Okay, one extra pawn, and another thing is there is
B.
apart from the piece advantage, it has the positional advantage. In the next move, it is going to promote the queen.
I mean,
But unfortunately, there is a queen which is stopping the queen promotion, right? So now you have to
yes.
think properly and play from white to play. White to play and win. What will you play,
Okay.
kids?
So we can move. No, sir.
So one move made.
No, 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 no. It's not one
Okay.
moment. Okay. Think and play.
Okay.
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 So can I use the washroom?
Yes.
Um. So pawn to h5.
On to h5. There is no pawn which can go to h5. White to play.
Oh. So we are white over.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, I thought we are black.
No, whatever side is going to
Good
win
evening, sir.
side. Hello, Sripurna. Are you back?
Yeah, sir, means I was having a network issue.
Okay. No issues. White to
And
play and win. White to play and win.
White to play, no?
Yes.
Sir, what? Are we playing a game?
No, no, no. It's a positional
Okay,
puzzle solving. Yes.
positional advantage.
Right.
So positional or material advantage?
Material advantage as well as
Both.
positional
Positional
advantage.
advantage.
This position is an advantageous position, right?
Yeah, sir, we can make it any choice.
Yes.
We can make rook, bishop, queen, or anything, etc.
Okay. So what are you going to play now, kids?
Sir, we will play our queen.
Where?
We are on f1, so we will play to f3.
F3. Okay. You will play to F3 and give the queen free.
Sir, Sripurna likes.
Sripurna
No, sir.
always sacrifices his queen. He doesn't like the queen actually. Don't know why.
So, but we are promoting it to the queen, but yeah, that is still not.
Sir, then we can move our queen to. No.
So can you remove your queen somehow?
Which one, black or white?
Black one.
So you make me move from there, right? You have the queen, right? You have the pawn, you have the queen, you have the king.
But you'll capture.
Sir, we will move our pawn of b2 to b4. It is starting pawn.
Yes, sir, b4.
B2 to B4. Are you sure? Okay, very good.
Yeah, sir.
Why?
Sir, because it was at starting position.
No.
Sir is trying to disturb the queen because of that only.
B5.
B5.
No. So queen to B1.
Queen to B1. Okay.
So queen to c1. c1.
C1 and check. Very good.
No.
We can start moving the pawn at g4.
So queen to f1.
G3.
f2. c5.
Queen to C5.
No. Sorry. Oh, we don't have
We
any.
can move it. We can move the pawn to g4.
No.
Why?
We'll get
Or we can move
captured.
the queen to g2.
Queen to G2 is a good choice for
No,
me.
no,
I will
no.
directly.
No, sir. No, sir.
So now you have material advantage.
Yes. Thank you, guys. You made me make the advantage. Take
So
the
we can move
advantage.
the queen to h2.
Queen to H2. Okay.
So G2, queen to G2.
King to G2.
H3, king H3. Sir, H3.
Okay. H3. Sorry. H3. Okay.
No. Okay. So what can we play now? You only tell us some move to play.
So we can move the pawn to g4.
No.
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
No. No. Sir, no.
Okay, let's take the original position, kids. Now white to play.
Yes. Right.
Okay, let me be white. You guys play from black, okay? Is that
Okay.
fine? Okay.
Okay.
I'll give check first.
Uh,
What will you
so
play?
in the first move only C1. We'll also get check.
Array, your king is under check. You have to
Oh,
save
sir.
the king first, right?
Yes.
Sir, we
Sir,
will move our king
C.
to d4, d5.
No, C4. C4.
C4. C4
Yes.
is a good choice for me actually, because in the next move I'm going to give
For
check
you.
and capture the queen.
Then what I was telling, they're not listening.
Okay, sir.
What
Sir,
I do. I was telling, go front, then you are taking it side.
What
yes,
will you play now?
I don't want to play that. So
Sir,
can
we
you
will.
move back? Yes, sir.
Sir, we will move our king to d5.
D5. Okay, very good. D5 is also good. I'm going to capture the queen.
Oh no. Sir, can you move back? Can you play E5?
E5. This? Okay, E5. Here. E5 is a check. You cannot go there.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Sir, E4 we can play, I guess.
E4, yes, you can play E4. I will give check from here.
No, 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 no,
And,
no, no.
and this time I'll capture the queen free.
No.
This is good move, by the way, okay? Because you are protecting the queen.
Sir,
Check,
but you're still gonna take the queen. Acha, yes.
okay? And now
Okay.
my queen is back.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell me who will stop white to win? Nobody can, right? You can win easily now. Let us see. Now you guys are white, okay? Now you guys are white.
Okay.
I'll play from black side, okay?
Okay.
Now पटापट checkmate करायचंय, चलो.
One move.
No, no, not one move. One queen mate, you know how to do that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we
Okay.
can first of all bring the king to the last row rank.
See, first thing, the king is already
blocked
blocked
it.
here, okay? It is already blocked. You have the
So
pass
now-
pawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5 moves, you are going to promote another pawn, right?
So
Okay, sir.
yes, sir. We can do that.
Sir,
So just
B3.
play this,
B4, B4.
right? Now suppose he played, captured, captured, played,
B5.
captured, captured, played.
B6.
Check. Where will it go? Block the line.
So we can.
Check. Here it cannot go. Here it cannot
No,
go.
sir.
Here
No,
it-
sir. No, sir. We can. No, sir. We
What?
can move it to. So we can move it. The queen to E. So we can move the queen to E6.
E6. Okay.
E6.
How,
Why?
how did that matter actually? That's fine. Okay. I played this. Now
Now
next.
we can move the queen to E5. E4.
Sir, G2.
G.
So G2. So G2.
Oh, sorry.
No. No, sir.
Oh, no.
So just go back, I think. So that move was good. So just go back. Where the queen just
Sir,
got
can you be
promoted.
the opposition? Sir, please go to opposition.
So
Which
can you
one?
just go to the position where the queen
Yes,
just
sir.
promoted?
No, not there.
Okay.
Where
Okay.
so can you just go to the position? Yeah.
Huh?
No, sir. No, sir.
What?
No, sir. No,
The
sir.
second. Okay.
Oh.
Second queen promoted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. Why do you want to go till there?
So now we can move the queen to C5.
Simply block it here. Why do you need to play here and there?
F4.
Just make it here. Yeah. I played.
Dating you.
Check. Checkmate. Isn't it simple?
Yes.
Okay. Now you play from white side, kids.
Sir, again that one only.
Yes, but now completely from white side. Okay.
Okay.
And without my help.
We try.
Sir, we will move our pawn to B. Yes, sir. B4.
No, sir.
And then we will move up. Sorry, your turn. Then our turn. Sir, then we will move on again. We will move on again. Again, yes.
No, 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 no.
No.
Sir, yes, sir. We will take our queen to C1. Sir, we will move our queen to C5.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. And
Oh,
take
Sir, we're losing all our pieces.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. No.
So can you just go back to starting position?
I don't remember a single incidence where Sri Purna got opportunity to sacrifice his queen and he has not done. No, he always likes to give away his queen. Isn't it, Sri Purna?
Yes, sir.
He's so serious about it actually. Why you don't like queen, Sri Purna?
Sir, that myself, I don't know that.
Okay, anyways, kids, what will you play? Come on, Eva, Sanvi, think properly and tell quickly.
So where's Esha?
Hesha has some school function actually, school inauguration or something, yeah.
Why today?
We just solved this actually, right?
Yes.
So you should be able to tell now.
Queen F2.
Queen to F2 check. Okay. Next.
So C2, queen to C2.
Queen to C2.
Queen to E2.
Queen E2
E2.
check. E2 check. Okay.
Sir, we can give the queen to the other queen. Or not
Sorry?
right now, sir.
We
Not
have
right
to
now.
join in 4
Not
minutes
right
again.
now.
Sir,
Sorry?
we have to rejoin.
No. Let's finish it now. Till
No,
four-
sir.
4
Only 4
minutes.
minutes
Yeah,
left. That's all.
that is sufficient to finish this program. Let's go.
Yeah, sir. Then we can rejoin tomorrow. Means we can rejoin
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes, tomorrow.
Okay. So let the meeting timing only.
Yes, kids, come on. What will you play now?
So E3.
E3 check. Your advantage
No,
is
sir, go back.
gone.
No, sir. No, sir. Go back.
So B4.
Let's do it again.
Sir,
Why?
Sir, to F2. Queen to F2.
C2.
C2. Queen to C6. Queen to C6.
C6. No. So I did not agree to
Pawn to
that.
Yes.
Pawn to C8.
Now you are winning, right? Why are
Yes,
you saying
sir,
no,
but-
Eva? Why were you saying no?
Sir, because we already lost our
Sir,
queen.
queen
Yeah,
to
but then you
B,
got your queen back,
B3.
right?
Queen to sir, pawn to B3. Oh, sorry, B4. Oh no, sir, B3 only.
Sir, queen to B8.
Pawn to B8. Pawn to B4.
No, no.
It will not get captured, Eva. Pawn to B5.
Now it.
No, it's blocked.
You know? Bella. Sorry.
Sir,
So
now
now
queen to
queen to
C8.
C8.
C8, yes.
So pawn
Sir,
to
promote the pawn.
promote the pawn.
Sir,
So now
queen to D.
Queen to D.
Yes, okay.
If it comes here, it cannot, correct? So here only.
Yes, sir.
547.
Sir, you could capture the. Okay.
Pawn is coming down. It's not going back.
No. I said you could capture the pawn by the queen.
Okay.
I was
Check.
going to say
But
that.
why do we need a pawn now?
Check. Where will it go? Now kids, be aware, okay? Okay, it can capture, right? Now one more mate, kids. Yes.
Sir, queen to
H5.
Queen to H5 is not one more mate.
No, not one.
Sir, queen to G4.
Queen to G4. Check and mate. Okay, or
Sir, G2 we could move.
where can it go?
I was asking G2. Sorry, H2.
H2.
Queen.
H2 what? Queen.
Yes.
Yeah, this is also okay because this has already blocked. Okay, and this queen is blocking this. Okay, this is also okay. Okay, good one, kids. Okay, so finally you checkmated.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the positional advantage. Okay, or large material advantage wins. Okay, so we will stop here, kids, for today. Okay, tomorrow we will start with new topic. Okay, bye bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye, sir.